Hi everyone, today we're going to be having a look at the Arsenal Gazelle Terrace Icon trainers for the 24-25 season. These have just been released. This is the box they come in. Just a standard Adidas box. Would have been nice if they put it in a red box instead of blue, but there we go. And on the side all it says is Gazelle Terrace. Doesn't say anything about Arsenal at all on it. So let's open it up. So both individually wrapped in the Adidas tissue paper. There we are. Right, so let's get them out and have a look at them. Right, so these are the trainers. As you can see, they look pretty nice. So yeah, come in an off-white colour, sort of suede. Red leather stripes with a navy blue sort of trim. Obviously Arsenal in gold, written by the stripes. Leather heel tab with sort of an embossed blue cannon on it. That's the other side. White laces, white leather tongue. Nothing on the tongue apart from the Adidas logo. Inside printed we have this, which has got the Arsenal crest, the cannon, the Adidas logo in there. Yeah, so very nice looking trainers. I'm going to try them on in a minute and show you what they look like on, and if they fit sort of true to size, or if you need to sort of half size up or half size down. But yeah, really like the look of those. So this is what they look like on. Yeah, pretty comfortable. I'm a UK size 9 and that's what these are, and they fit me perfectly. They're not too big, not too tight. Yeah, nice and comfortable. So yeah, overall, really nice trainers.